Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking down the easy wins. Log into Twitch, then open account settings and opt out of personalized marketing where possible. This reduces targeted ad frequency. Next, install a reputable ad blocker extension and make sure it's enabled on Twitch TV because browser-level filtering blocks many video overlays. Finally, consider Twitch Prime or subscribing to the specific channel you watch most often. Subscriptions bypass pre-rolls on that channel. Once done, you'll have the basic defense. You move into deeper filtering. Set up DNS-level blocking via Pi-hole or NextDNS and import lists that target streaming ad domains because DNS blocking stops requests before they start. Then, enable uBlock Origin's advanced mode and add custom filter lists. This handles in-player ad calls and suspicious third-party scripts. If you're comfortable, run vetted tamper-monkey scripts that patch Twitch player behavior, but make sure to audit scripts for safety. Once these layers are active, you dramatically reduce both pre-rolls and midstream ad injections. You finish by validating changes. Open Twitch in a private window and clear cache to confirm ads are blocked. This proves whether browser state was interfering. If you still see ads, disable extensions one by one to identify conflicts, making sure to re-enable your core blocker once isolated. Keep your DNS and filter lists current, and check for Twitch interface updates monthly since platform changes can bypass blocks. If all else fails, remember subscriptions or watching reruns often avoids ads. Use that as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.